Veterans from the military often lose contact with their fellow soldiers after they're done serving. For one group of men, it's been 45 years since they met up. That's until today in Fargo. WDAY News reporter Riley Swenson has their story.
Bruce Seim of Detroit Lakes and Bill Casey of Fort Myers, Florida, are both Air Force veterans who served in the 463rd Organizational Maintenance Squadron in the 1970s, stationed in Abilene, Texas. Well, together, they made trips all across the world and called themselves the mailmen of Europe. Now today, they reunited after quite some time apart.
I haven't been in contact with them for 45 years.
When Bruce invited Bill to Randy's Diner here on South University, he knew that he was going to be meeting up with an old friend. What he didn't know is that a third was on his way, waiting just outside.
Yeah. Oh my God! Damn!
Dan Felix was a member in that same squadron as Bruce and Bill. Bruce got in touch with Dan, coordinated a flight from Arizona, and surprised Bill with a visit from his old friend.
We were brothers. He was my best man at my wedding. I haven't seen him in 45 years.
With all three long-lost friends back together again, their faces lit up as they told stories from their days in the Air Force.
That airplane was being tossed around like a ping pong ball in the whitewater rapids, and I was scared. I was one of the scariest days of my life.
Someone would leave early, like on Friday, and drive up to Possum Kingdom, which is in Texas, North Texas, and get a campsite and get our names on it. Then the rest of us, when we got off work, would drive up to Possum Kingdom, where we'd water ski all day long. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then head back. We never had one argument about that boat. We had a ball.
Dan and Bill owned the boat, and Bruce had the truck to pull it. They really were the three best friends.
He'd take the pickup truck and go, and I'd show up with this Corvette.
It's a bonding. I mean, it's something you never forget. Yeah. You're like family. Because you're away from the family.
Yeah,
so
we
you make
were.
a new family.
The three vets all back together again, rehashing their days, reliving time together that started some 40 years ago. Reporting for WDAY News, I'm Riley Swenson.
Bruce's wife Julia gets the credit for setting all of this up. Tomorrow the crew will head to a car show in DL. You can just imagine the memories that are going to be coming back and the stories told over the next couple of days.